I got this new desk that moves up and down, so I'm going to put it together and show you how it works. Here's all of the included pieces. We have the top desk part and the stand, the legs, everything you need to put it together, plus the instructions. This went together really fast, really easy, and we did use a power drill to make it go even faster, but the instructions were super simple to follow. And here we go. It is all together. We're going to flip it right side up. I'm going to show you how the lever works. You just press the, oh, it also spins very easily. You press the lever underneath and make it go higher and lower. I'm going to show you up close. There's the lever. You can stop it in the middle wherever you want. I love that you can stand and use the desk or sit and use the desk. And it has 2 locks on 2 of the wheels. So you can keep it in place if you want to, or just leave those unlocked and roll it around. This is going to be an awesome desk. I'm going to do my reviews on this desk. So love it. It comes in other colors, would definitely recommend.